I applied everywhere, but nobody gave me a chance. If you're watching this, thank you. My name is Abram. I'm 26 years old. I never imagined that one day I would make a video asking strangers for something I couldn't find after months of trying. An opportunity. Not money, not fame, just one opportunity. I graduated in agricultural engineering. I learned how to operate tractors. I worked with agricultural machinery. I learned maintenance. I studied for years because I believed education would change my life. Everyone told me the same thing: study hard, work hard, never give up. So I listened. I worked hard. I graduated. And then, nothing. I started applying for jobs. One application became 10. 10 became 100. Then hundreds more. Every morning I woke up hoping today would be different. Every night I went to sleep with another rejection. Or no reply at all. Sometimes rejection hurts. But do you know what hurts even more? Silence. Sending your CV. Waiting for weeks. Checking your email every hour. Seeing nothing. You begin asking yourself questions nobody should have to ask. Am I not good enough? Did I waste my years studying? What am I doing wrong? I searched everywhere. Canada, Germany, the Netherlands, anywhere that might give me a chance. Sometimes I found jobs that looked perfect. Then I discovered I wasn't eligible to apply. Sometimes I found opportunities that required qualifications I didn't have yet. Sometimes I applied anyway. Most of the time, nothing. No interview, no explanation. Just silence. Today, my bank balance is almost zero. It's so small that it almost looks like a joke. But it's not funny when it's your real life. I know there are people whose situations are even harder than mine. I'm not saying my struggle is the worst. I'm simply telling you mine. There were days when I wondered if all my effort had been worth anything. Imagine spending years preparing for a future, only to watch that future never arrive. People see a graduate, they don't see the hundreds of applications. They don't see the rejected emails. They don't see the nights spent wondering what else to try. I know many of you watching this understand exactly what that feels like. Maybe you're unemployed too. Maybe you've been rejected again and again. Maybe you've started questioning your own value. If that's you, you're not alone. This video isn't only about me. It's about everyone who's still waiting for someone to say, yes, we'll give you a chance. Here's something I want every employer watching to know. I don't expect success to be handed to me. I don't expect a high salary. I don't expect a perfect job. I only want one chance to prove what I can do. I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to relocate. I'm willing to work harder than anyone expects. Some people may think I'm crazy for saying this, but that's how desperate I am to begin my career. If a company said, come here, learn, prove yourself, I would take that opportunity without hesitation. Not because I believe my work has no value, but because I believe one opportunity can change an entire life. One person saying yes can rewrite someone's future. Maybe that person is watching this video today. If you're an employer, a recruiter, a farmer, an agricultural company, a machinery company, or someone who knows someone who needs a hardworking agricultural engineering graduate, please give me a chance. Not because you feel sorry for me, because I promise I'll earn it. Judge me by my work, not by where I come from, not by how many rejection emails I've received. Judge me by what I can do when someone finally believes in me. And to everyone watching, if my story touched you, share this video. Maybe it reaches the one person who changes my life. Maybe it reaches the company that's been looking for someone exactly like me. Hope is a strange thing. Sometimes it becomes very small. But as long as it's still there, I'll keep trying. I'll keep applying. I'll keep believing. Because maybe, just maybe, the next email won't be another rejection. Maybe the next one will finally say, you're hired.